I wanted to also viewers to understand as to what is the difference between a cartoon, an animated film, and an anime. Is it
Okay.
genre? Is it treatment? Is it the duration?
It's
What is the
everything.
difference?
Let's take a few examples. Let's talk about classic cartoons, right? Which we all grew up watching, which is Hanna-Barbera stuff, right? So Flintstones, Warner
Tom and
Brothers is
Jerry.
Looney Tunes and stuff like that. Tom and Jerry. Dexter's was completely Hanna-Barbera. Powerpuff Girls, all of that stuff, right? Samurai Jack, which is so Tom and Jerry is a whole different era. Okay, that's the beginning of animation when nothing else was defined. There were no genres. That was the only animation you got. I mean, that was right after the golden age of animation, which is your Mickey Mouse. And we won't ever come close because it used to be on celluloid sheets. We used to draw every single frame.
Hmm.
Now we don't use any interpolation software to draw in between frames, but we draw 8 to 10 frames for full motion per second. The way you entertain with Tom and Jerry or the way you entertain with anime, the two are very separate things. But Disney is, of course, not a cartoon. Disney retains what it meant to create something timeless. It's just a very different kind of thing. It's meant to be a lot more universal. You know, if you set something in the jungle with universal human themes like love, compassion, death, longing, etc., all of those things. TV shows, so they are much more themed. I mean, it's the same formula over and over again. So it's very formulaic, right? So in that sense, it's closer to these long-running shows that we talk about
Hmm.
in anime as well. You
Hmm.
know, Naruto, etc. You just want it to keep going. You don't want it to stop because it's you fall in love with the characters and it's just a monster of the week kind of a show. You know, anime will take that and stretch it to maybe a tournament arc. You know, where the entire arc of the story over 20 episodes is to do with one thing. But cartoons is episodic mostly, you know.